Hello everyone. This is a video of me doing 2 stool seats, and I'm trying to do a starburst swipe, which I failed miserably. Not only did I fail it miserably twice, as you can see here, I failed it 4 times because I'm just that awesome. Anyway, I think my colors were too thin and definitely didn't work, and I'm not very good at swipes to begin with, but I keep trying because I keep hoping I will do better. So as you can see, I'm getting ready to start the second one, and I sped this up 20 times because I just didn't feel like you would want to watch the misery in real time. So hopefully when I try this again, it'll end up working better. But for the third time, it ended up being just a dirty pour, and for both, and it seemed to, I think I did a flip cut pour or a straight pour. You'll see in a second. But it ended up being something I liked all right. And then I'll bring you in for close-up. Okay, let me bring you in for a close-up. Some sort of creature popping up right there. See kind of the beak and the eye. When these cure, I'm going to resin the tops and put some glitter in there because I like that look. I might torch that section again. See if anything will pop up. Very interesting. The red was a little thin, but I still think it came out alright. Still like it. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And I'll post another video soon. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Please like and subscribe.